Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get accepted on Toptal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in toptal.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Toptal if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get accepted on Toptal. So firstly guys, what you need to do is of course know that getting accepted in Toptal is quite competitive, as they only accept the top 3 of applicants. And here are some steps and tips to increase your chances. So ensure you have at least 2 or 3 relevant experience in your field. So you have to have that. The screening process includes a language and personality evaluation and in-depth skill review, live screening, and test projects. Practice your communication skills and be ready to showcase your technical expertise. Also, what you need to do, guys, is highlight your best projects and achievements in your application, provide detailed description and results. Toptal values professionalism and reliability. Make sure your application reflects these qualities. The screening process can take 3 to 8 weeks, so be patient and follow up if necessary. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.